Best foldable drones. Are you looking for the best foldable drones? In this video we will look at 5 of the best foldable drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The 1080p HD FPV foldable drone is an excellent choice for beginners and kids, offering a balance of user-friendly features and enjoyable functionality. Its 1080p HD camera enables clear aerial photography and video recording, making it great for capturing memorable moments. With real-time FPV transmission, users can view footage directly on their smartphone, enhancing the flying experience. This drone stands out with gesture and voice control, allowing users to perform tasks like taking photos or videos hands-free, adding a layer of novelty and ease. One-key takeoff/landing simplifies operation for first-time flyers, ensuring a seamless start and finish to flights. For advanced functionality, the drone includes optical flow positioning, which improves stability during hovering, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor use. Its 360 degrees flip feature adds fun to flying, while the waypoint fly mode allows users to set a predetermined flight path, providing an interactive and creative flying experience. The foldable design and included carrying case enhance portability, making it easy to transport and store. These features make it particularly suited for travel or outdoor adventures. Other notable aspects include its durable build and compact size, which are well suited for children. The drone combines entertainment with safety, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable experience for all users. In summary, this drone offers an excellent combination of camera quality, innovative controls, and beginner-friendly features, making it a great gift or hobby option for kids and newcomers to drone flying. Whether used for casual photography or fun flights, it provides both value and versatility. Number 2. The mini drone with camera offers a compact yet feature-rich experience for both adults and kids, making it an ideal choice for beginner and casual flyers. Equipped with a 1080p HD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens, it captures clear, dynamic aerial footage and photos from various angles. The FPV transmission allows users to view real-time visuals on their smartphones, enhancing the flying experience. The drone is designed for ease of use, featuring one-key takeoff and landing, which simplifies operation and makes it accessible even for first-time users. Altitude hold ensures stable hovering, which is especially useful for capturing steady photos and videos. For added fun and interactivity, the drone includes gravity control and trajectory flight modes. Gravity control allows the drone to follow the movement of the user's smartphone, while trajectory flight lets users draw a flight path on their device, and the drone will follow it automatically. The foldable design makes the drone highly portable, and it comes with 2 batteries, offering extended flight times for uninterrupted fun. This is a great advantage for those looking to maximize their flying sessions. Durable and lightweight, this mini drone is designed for indoor and outdoor use. Its user-friendly controls and safety features make it a great choice for kids, while the adjustable camera and creative flight modes appeal to adults. In summary, the mini drone with camera provides an excellent mix of functionality, portability, and ease of use. Its high-quality camera, stable flight, and intuitive controls make it a great option for beginners and hobbyists alike, offering hours of fun and creativity for users of all ages. Number 3. The 2K HD FPV drone is an impressive option for kids and beginners, combining advanced features with ease of use. With a 2K HD camera, the drone delivers high-definition aerial footage, offering a clearer and more detailed viewing experience than typical 1080p drones. FPV transmission allows users to enjoy real-time video feeds directly on their smartphones, enhancing the immersive flying experience. Equipped with brushless motors, the drone provides more stable flight and longer-lasting durability compared to traditional brushed motors. This makes it more suitable for extended flying sessions and outdoor use. The altitude hold feature ensures the drone remains stable in the air, which is especially beneficial for capturing steady photos and videos. User-friendly features such as one-key takeoff/landing make it simple for beginners to start and finish flights without the stress of manual controls. Additionally, the gesture selfie feature allows for hands-free operation, enabling users to take selfies and record videos with simple hand gestures, adding convenience and fun. For added excitement, the drone includes 3D flips, allowing users to perform aerial stunts and flips, adding an element of fun to each flight. The Waypoint Fly feature enables users to set a flight path, and the drone will follow it automatically, providing a more interactive flying experience. The drone is highly portable, with a foldable design, making it easy to store and carry. It also comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time for more enjoyment. In summary, the 2K HD FPV drone offers a perfect balance of high-quality features, stability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for beginners and kids. Its camera quality, brushless motors, and fun flight modes ensure an enjoyable and versatile flying experience. Number 4. The 1080p camera drone is an excellent option for both beginners and kids, offering a combination of fun features and ease of use. With a 1080p camera, it captures clear, high-definition aerial photos and videos, perfect for beginners who want to explore drone photography. FPV transmission enables users to view live footage directly on their smartphone, enhancing the flying experience. Designed with simplicity in mind, the drone features voice control and gesture selfie, allowing users to control the drone with basic voice commands and take photos or videos using hand gestures. These intuitive features make it accessible to kids while adding an element of fun and convenience. The altitude hold feature ensures that the drone maintains a steady hover, which is great for stable shots and easy control, especially for newer pilots. The one-key start and landing functions simplify the flying process, making it easy to take off and land with just one button press. For added excitement, the drone supports 3D flips, allowing users to perform aerial stunts and flips for extra entertainment. Its foldable design makes it highly portable and easy to store, while the 2 included batteries extend flight time, offering more opportunities for fun and exploration. This drone is a fantastic choice for kids and beginners due to its lightweight design, safety features, and ease of use. Whether for casual flying, taking selfies, or performing tricks, the 1080p camera drone delivers an enjoyable flying experience for boys and girls alike. In summary, this drone offers a great mix of features, including a high-quality camera, voice control, and fun flying modes, making it a top choice for young or first-time drone enthusiasts. Number 5. The mini drone with camera is a compact and feature-packed drone ideal for both beginners and adults. It comes equipped with a 1080p HD camera, providing high-quality aerial footage and clear photos, making it great for capturing memorable moments. The FPV, first-person view, feature allows users to view real-time video directly on their smartphone, offering an immersive flying experience. Designed for ease of use, the drone features one-key takeoff/landing, allowing beginners to start and finish flights with minimal effort. The altitude hold function keeps the drone stable in the air, making it easier to control and capture steady images or videos. The 90 degrees adjustable lens provides flexibility in capturing different angles, enhancing creative possibilities during flights. For added fun and excitement, the drone includes a 360 degrees flip feature, allowing users to perform aerial stunts and flips, making it a playful experience. The foldable design ensures that the drone is highly portable, and the carrying case adds convenience for storage and travel. Additionally, the drone comes with 2 batteries, extending flight time for longer sessions. The lightweight and user-friendly design make it a perfect choice for beginners looking to get started with drones. Its combination of stability, ease of operation, and fun features ensures an enjoyable flying experience for both kids and adults. In summary, the mini drone with camera offers a great mix of features, including high-definition camera quality, easy controls, adjustable lens, and portability. With added fun features like flips and extended flight time, it provides an enjoyable and versatile drone experience for both beginners and hobbyists.